Assalamu alaikum. First of all, we open MS-ACCES and create our database. Okay, our database is successfully created. Now we create 3 fields in our database. For this purpose, we change the view. And name this table as tbl underscore product. Okay, now we create our 3 fields. First of all, id, its data type will be auto number. Now we create another name as p name and short text. Then price, its data type will be number. We change view. Okay, first we save it. Now test our database. Congratulations, our database is working properly. Now we add some external jar files in our Java project. For this we open Java Eclipse IDE. And go to our project file, click right, and then go to the properties. After this we go to Java build path. Select Java build path. Here we add external jars file. There will be 6 files. These files, download link for these files are given in description below. You can also download and put them in one folder. Okay, apply. Our database is successfully created. In our next lecture, we will connect it with MS-ACCES.